Okay, so here is the RedLion controller, and I have a RTD, 3-wire RTD wired up to it. So we want to program this. So to program it, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to press the P and hold, press it in and hold until you see the word control pop up. Once you see that, then just press the P until you see the configure, CNFP. Then press the up. So until you get to the input, we're just going to program the input. And then press P, and we have R385, which this is a RTD 385, so it's actually already programmed there. But if we wanted to do, say, like the load cell, so if we wanted to do our load cell is just, to this controller, is just a device that sends in a 0 to 50 millivolt signal. So 0.05, and then I think that U is supposed to mean V for volts. So it's a 50 millivolt input, so it goes from 0 to 50 millivolts. If we wanted to, if we had a 4 to 20 milliamp signal coming in, we would select 4 to 20. And we could do 10 volts or 5 volts, okay? Or like I say, we can do an R385. If we go on down, if we wanted like a J-type thermocouple, TC means thermocouple, and so if we went down to select a T-type or J-type thermocouple, we could select those. All right, so once you select your input type, right now again it's a R385, you press P. There's some scaling options here for for a temperature device. You'll have Fahrenheit or Celsius, and then you can select the number of decimal points. For this particular device, you either have 0 decimal points or 1. You can select a filter. The higher your filter, then the slower it's going to respond, and so it'll have like a smoother response. Press P to go. Band is like a bandwidth setting. We really don't need to set that for RTD, and we just need to press P for the rest of these and just walk on through, and then get back to CNFP and then hit the D for display. It'll go to end, and now it's reading. So you can see it's reading the temperature here is about 67, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. If I kind of put my hands on the tip of this, you see the temperature starts going up, and because it's heating up the tip of this due to the temperature of my hand.